Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. Today we're gonna make pumpkin cider. Yum, 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 so good. And it's all really good ingredients. And we're gonna start off with pumpkin. And just cut your pumpkin with a sharp knife. Just rock it back and forth. And you want to peel the pumpkin also. You don't wanna put the peel in there. So you just make sure you have a really nice vegetable peeler for that. Which I do right here, OXO. The hardest part of the whole recipe. But it really isn't that hard if you have a nice peeler. Cut up your apples. And I have a green and a red apple. And you want to use every part of the apple except the stem, because you have all your good probiotics in the core of the apple. Really good for you. And the skin. That's the only part you want to take off is that stem. That's it. These are really nice looking apples. And your ginger juice. And I made these and I put them in the freezer. Just little pieces of, little teaspoon of ginger juice. And I teach you how to do that on a separate video that you can find here in the description. Okay, so you've got everything you need right here. Okay, put the softest ingredients first, which would be your celery and your apples. Put that pumpkin last, because it's the hardest. And your ginger juice. Okay, whip that up. That up. Notice how it's getting stuck in there? No problem. Just take some out and start over. Just a little bit too much in there at one time. Okay, now you've got all that good liquid in there. It'll blend easier now, so you can add everything else. All right, that's it. Now you take your cheesecloth, your cheese bag, your cotton juice bag, and pour your ingredients into the juice bag. Lots of good ingredients here. And just squeeze it. It's easier to do this into a bowl. Gives you more room if you squeeze it into a bowl. Let's add the rest. Last step is to stir in the nutmeg and cardamom and cinnamon. That's it. And that gives it a real nice flavor. into your container. You see that made a lot of juice. And you can serve this warm or cold, either way. It makes a wonderful warm cider. You can see how nice that looks. It's amazing. And for more videos like this one, check out our website and our social media channels and subscribe to our YouTube channel.